Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. Or in fact, this afternoon, welcome back to Mike Breaks It. Look what I've done. I've gone and dropped the Raspberry Pi Zero W on its SD card slot and it's ripped off the board altogether. It's a surface mount type socket. If it was plated through, I'm pretty sure there'd be a couple of lugs coming through the back of the board and this would have been held down very securely and it wouldn't have ripped out. But because it's all surface mount stuff, the tracks are very, very small and it's gone ping. I thought I was going to be able to araldite it down, but you'll see here there's a little socket, there's a little switch here. So when the card is pushed in, the device knows there's a card there and reads from it. If it's out, it's not going to work. Or even if the card is fitted and the switch doesn't make good contact, the board is going to ignore it. So I'm afraid this is destined for the scrap bin. It's a bit of a shame. It's not the end of the world. It's only £9. If it was a Raspberry Pi 4, I would have been a bit more upset. But yeah, just be careful with your Raspberry Pis. Don't go bouncing them on the floor like I did. Anyhow, thanks for watching.